Hello everyone, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to take the different types of the Indian warships and submarines. As all we aware about that, India is covered by the three directions with the water and one direction with the land. And that's why it requires a large force of the naval vehicles and naval warfares, and that's why there are different types of the naval warships and submarines are used for protecting uh, from its line from the enemy countries, and that's why there are different types of the naval warships like aircraft carriers and submarines are used in the Indian Navy services, and those different types of the naval vehicles I am going to discuss here. As of January 2025, the Indian Navy possesses two aircraft carriers, 13 destroyers, 14 frigates, 18 corvettes, two nuclear powered ballistic missile submarines, 7 conventional powered attack submarines, 10 large offshore patrol vessels, 4 amphibious transport decks, 4 tank landing ships, 8 landing craft utilities, 5 fleet tankers, as well as various auxiliary vessels and small patrol boats. The Indian Navy is modernizing its fleet to counter China's growing naval presence in the Indian Ocean region. The Navy's theme for 2024 is strength and power through innovation, indigenization. The Navy aims to reduce its dependence on the foreign military inputs and increase its operational capabilities. Indigenously, it will want to develop all the forces and all the technologies what are required in the naval service. The Indian Navy is also developing a new class of conventional diesel electric submarines, the Project 76 class. The design phase is expected to be completed by the end of 2024. First, I will take the aircraft carriers. Aircraft carriers are the flagships of the Navy, projecting air power, and these will be carry the different aircrafts, and the aircrafts will fly from those aircraft carriers and land during its operations. The first one is the INS Vikramaditya. INS stands for Indian Naval Service. INS Vikramaditya is a modified cube. Displacement is 44,500 tons, commissioned in the year 2013. It can carry the different types of aircrafts like MiG-29, HAL, HAL, Dhruva, Sea Harrier. And another next one is the INS Vikrant. Vikrant class it is. Its displacement is 37,500 tons. It is commissioned in the year 2022. It also can carry the MiG-29K Kamoa Ka T1 aircraft. Second types of vehicles are destroyers. Destroyers mainly to launch the different types of missiles. Okay, these are destroyers are versatile surface combatants equipped with various offensive and defensive roles. That means launching up the different types of the missiles from that destroyer ships are to be carried out. And in this, there are different types of the these destroyers I am going to discuss. Those are the INS Kolkata, INS Kochi, INS Chennai. All these are Kolkata class, and their displacement also same 7,400 tons. And these are commissioned subsequent years in the year 2014, 2015, and 2016. And these destroyers will carry the different types of armaments like BrahMos missiles, Barak 8 surface to air missile, AK 630 CIWS bombs, and all the three will have the same type of the armaments. The last one is INS Visakhapatnam. That is a Visakhapatnam class. It is having the displacement of 7,500 tons and commissioned in the year 2021. And this also carries the same armaments that the BrahMos missiles, Barakat, SAM, AK-630, CIWS. The next type are frigates. The frigates are the multi-role warships, often used for escort and patrol missions. The frigates, what are there? These will escort the different ships and different carriers and commercial ships also. And those will be protect those ships and escort to transfer the one country's line to the another country. And those also patrol the at the line in the sea. And these are the different types of the frigates. What are there? Those I'm going to take here. There are three frigates: INS Sulika, INS Satpura, INS Sayadri. All these are the Sivalika class. And displacement, those are having the 6,200 tons. And again, these are commissioned in the subsequent years 2010, 2011, and 2012. And these will be having the armaments: club missiles, Barak 1 surface to air missile, AK 630 CIWS, and all three are having the same armaments. And next frigates are INS Talwar, there is a Talwar class, and INS Vikand, that also having the Talwar class, and both are having the same displacement, and those are commissioned in the year 2003 and 2013. Those will carry the recent missiles like BrahMos missiles and uh, SIL 1 surface to air missile, BrahMos missile, and still one surface to air missile. Like this, the different missiles it will carry out, and those will be protect from the other whatever the threats are there during the uh, its sailing of the ships. Next type of the vehicles are corvettes. These corvettes are smaller and agile warship designed for coastal defense and quick strikes. These are also similar to that of the frigates, but these are smaller in size and faster, move faster, and those will also have the armaments and protect the ships, commercial ships, and carriers. And here there are four uh, types of this corvettes I'm going to discuss. There is the INS Kamorta, INS Kadmat, INS Kiltan, or INS Kauratri. All these are Kamrota class, and all these are having the same displacement 3,500 tons. And these are commissioned in the years 2014, 2016, 2017, and 2020. Key armaments what those are having: torpedoes, ASW rockets, Barak 1 surface to air missiles, and all will have the same types of the armaments. Next type of the uh, vehicles are very important. Those are the submarines. Submarines are two types. One type is a nuclear powered submarines, and another one is a electric diesel powered submarines. These are the two which are the nuclear powered submarines. The submarines are crucial for underwater warfare, reconnaissance, deterrence. And the two nuclear powered submarines are there, and also in the 2024 another one is commissioned, and that is in the recent and full pledge. It will not in operation, that I am not taken here. And upcoming there are number of submarines and number of naval vehicles are also be commissioned. These are INS Chakra, Akul class, it is 12,000 tons displacement 2012, it is a leased one. Nuclear powered torpedoes, cruise missiles. Okay, here this is submarine is a nuclear power and that can launch the all the nuclear missiles. INS Arihant class, it is 6,000 tons. 2016 it is commissioned. It is also nuclear powered and ballistic missiles it can launch. The other types of submarines, these are the diesel electric type submarines, and these are almost here INS Kalavari, INS Kanderi, INS Karanja, INS Vela. All these are Calvary class. All the four are Calvary class only, and those are having the displacement also same 1775 tons. And these are commissioned in the year 2017, 2019, 2021, and 2021. And these key features, what are there? These are the diesel electric submarines and torpedoes, exert missiles. These are having, and these submarines are also used for the launching of the missiles, and those will run by the diesel electric power. The next type of naval vehicles are patrol vessels. These patrol vessels are these actually guard the line of control, and those will be guard during the peacetime also. The patrol vessels are designed for maritime surveillance, search, rescue, coastal security. All the things it will do. It will search also, rescue, and coastal security also it will do. And its main purpose is patrolling in the line of control. These are the first two are INS Sumitra, INS Sur, Saru, Saru class it is, and having the displacement 2,300 tons. And these are commissioned in the year 2014 and 2013. And these it will have the what type of the armaments? Those are 76 gun, AK-630 CIWS CIWS helicopters. Those will have, and the INS Saru also same displacement and increase in the year 2013 commissioned, and it will also have the same weapons and features. Then INS Shradul and INS Kesri both are Shradul class, and both are having the displacement 6,000 tons and commissioned in the year 2007 and 2008. And those will also have the 76 gun, AK-630 CIWS, and helicopters. All these the key features it will be having, and those will patrol across the line of control of the sea. The last one is the MPBS warfare ships. The MPBS warfare ships are essential for transporting troops and equipment for the beach landings. Here it will be usually support to the ground forces. The ground forces what are there for that it will support the force, as well as it will be transport from the it will take the landings of the different types of the that aircrafts, and that will transport the ship to the that inside the sea what are the ships and warships are there, submarines are there, and these different types of the MPBS warships are there. Those will usually the communicate between the ground as well as the sea, and those are the transporting. Those will be carried out. And here the first one is a INS Jalaswa, that is Austin class. It will having the displacement of 16,900 tons, commissioned in the year 2007. These are transport helicopters. It will have landing crafts. INS Airawat, that is a Shradul class, INS Shradul, INS Kesri, all these are Shradul class, and displacement having the 6,000 tons, and these are commissioned in the year 2009, 2007, and 2008. And these also having the transport helicopters and landing craft for the transporting equipment as well as the troops. 8 vessels, each constructed by the GRSC and Cochin Shipyard, are to be delivered between 2022 and 2026. The contract for the acquisition of the 6 next generation missile vessels NGMV was signed with the Cochin Shipyard Limited CSL at the cost of Rs 9,805 crore. The delivery of the ships scheduled commence in the March 2027. The upcoming some of the warships are here. I am going to take the class, type, and the status. Arhant class ballistic missile submarine SSBN, 2 in service, 2 launched, 1 more planned. S5 class ballistic submarine SSBN, 3 planned. Chakra 3 Akula class nuclear powered attack submarine SSN 1 planned. Project 77 nuclear powered attack submarine SSN 2 cleared and 6 planned. And these are the different types of the upcoming warships in the Indian naval service. And as I mentioned here, the major and important types of the warships and submarines of the Indian naval force I have taken, and there are some other also there. Those are not um, much importance having here, and but those are also served to the this service. And in the next session I'm going to take their working and how they will be carry out the different types of the missions I'm going to take. Thanks for the watching. If you like, share, subscribe and comment.